I've been, I've been just a wanderer until I met you. You have changed me in so many ways you might never know. With you, I became a better man. I can't thank you enough for everything that you do for me and for our little family. To the love of my life, I thank God I found you. I'd like to tell you that I have prayed for you a long time ago. I used to take my Sunday Mass alone, and I prayed the specifics my future partner should have.
Kutots mo po.
I said to the Lord,
Iyak nang gyapon.
Lord,
Sunday.
bahala mo apa, basta buutan.
Kala di ba pa kuno basta.
But God gave me more than that, and I have been so blessed ever since. I promise to be there in everything that you
live
do,
na kay mukha.
comfort you in times of distress, encourage you to achieve your goals, laugh with you, cry with you, respect and cherish you and the family we share together. I promise to be more patient and kind husband, to be your best friend as we continue our journey together. I love you, my eternity.